The best thing about Geeksters was they were not asking for any upfront money. They were like अभी पढ़ लो, जब पढ़ाई करके जॉब मिल जाए तभी पैसे दे देना, कोई बात. So basically, I'm Mukul and I stay in Janakpuri, New Delhi. So I've done my schooling from Rainbow English Senior Secondary School and I've done my graduation from Trinity Institute of Professional Studies, which is affiliated to Guru Gobind Singh University University. So basically, when I've completed my graduation in Bachelor's of Computer Application, which is commonly known as BCA. So in that we usually learn about the computer applications and programming and everything like that. But due to lockdown and some family conditions, I was not able to study properly in that, and due to online exam, we all passed. So after that, I applied for the job. I got the job in call center, and like after doing the job for 1 week, I quit because I felt like I'm not made for these kind of jobs. Like on Instagram, I got to know about the Geeksters and I applied there. And after application, I received a call. They took my test, and after the test of the I completed the test in the metro only. So after completion of test, the test was like basic. It was not very difficult or very easy for a person like me who was from technical background. It was it was of medium level. So I completed it in metro, and after that, after 2 or 3 days, I received a call that I'll be joining the practice sessions. And after joining the practice sessions, there was an orientation where Chirag sir told me about what will be your journey and what we will learn. I got referral for 3 companies. For the very first company, it was Sendra. I was about to crack the interview, but there was I got rejected, and after that I got rejected in 2 more companies, and after that I got placed. I was very fond of programming, especially the web development. So I was not getting any opportunity regarding this, any job regarding this. So Geeksters was the place where I polished my skills, and I got placement. Especially Ayush sir, he helped me a lot. Ayush sir and Kabir sir, the way they taught, it was flawless. Like they taught me everything which they knew, and as being a student, I can say that we have to study regularly. Like we have to do practice regularly, and everything will be easy. And if we don't practice, then it will be really difficult. And for me, Geeksters is special because they helped me fulfill my dream, achieve what I wanted to become. So that's why Geeksters is special to me. Especially for the Ayush sir, there was one thing which I felt very which I felt personally, it is very good. It is mandatory to have. Ayush sir used to have the after hours session of the class, where we used to discuss about the problems that are not related to the topics taught in class, but that are in general problems that are related. When we were not aware of the React, and we were in the JavaScript batch only. So in the after hours of the class, Ayush used to discuss about these things also. If we are having any issue regarding that, we are asking him. So he was not like that. नहीं अभी तुम्हारा वो बैच नहीं चल रहा है, तो अभी तुम्हारा उससे regarding कुछ भी नहीं है, तो मैं तुम्हें वो नहीं बताऊंगा. He used to tell us about those things also. Overall journey, I would say that when I started, I was not aware of JavaScript. I was not aware of object-oriented programming. I was not aware of the solving algorithms and writing logics. But as I progressed with the Geeksters, I found myself evolving and developing my skills, polishing my skills. And by the end of 2.5, by the end of second advanced front-end module, I found myself to be able to make a complete project, full stack project. So that was really huge development for me. From not able to understand anything, and from to that, and making the full stack project with full server, backend and front end. So that was a huge development for me. One sentence I would like to say: the Geeksters was very helpful for me to achieve my dream job, to be very particular, and I'm very thankful to them. And they were not asking for any upfront money. They were like अभी पढ़ लो, जब पढ़ाई करके जॉब मिल जाए तभी पैसे दे देना, कोई बात. For the upcoming students, I would like to say that focus on working instead of theory. Focus on the practicals, and that will get you your job. Because if you are if you are really dedicated and you are really doing practice, coding practice every day, then there's nothing stopping you from achieving the job.